Hey guys, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to crochet a chain, which is the very first step in any crocheting project. This is what you do. To create a crochet chain, the very first thing that you want to do is create a slip knot. So you take your yarn, wrap it over, and through this hole you're going to pull a loop. Just like this. And that gives you flexibility in your chain. So once you do that, you put the needle through the loop, and most people like to hold the needle in the right hand and the yarn in the left hand. So if you're doing it this way, you take the yarn and wrap it underneath the needle going towards the right, then lift the yarn up and wrap it over the needle. That's called a yarn over. And once you've done that, you pull this new piece of yarn through the existing loop. And that is your first chain. And you do however many chains you want for the item you're making. So I'm going to do 10. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as you can see, you get quicker with practice. But if you want to take loops out, all you have to do is pull this string. And if you want to add more in, you just use the same process you used to add the loops in the first place. So yarn goes under the needle, up and over, and pull through. Again, yarn goes under the needle, up and over, and you pull it through. And that's all there is to it.